The Meghalaya government has begun evacuating students of the state stranded in strife-torn Manipur, and 66 students from Meghalaya studying in the Central Agricultural University Imphal have already arrived in the first phase of the evacuation. They arrived at Guwahati airport from Imphal on Friday evening. From Guwahati, some students were taken to Garo Hills and some were brought to Shillong. They reached Shillong late last night. According to the report, 8 more students studying at the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal, will be evacuated on Saturday, while another 36 students studying in the same institute will be evacuated on Sunday. The state government has also launched a helpline to assist parents, students and citizens stranded in Manipur.
Meeting sa Hagim village kalong kajaka kaba haiba kalong kaba khamjor kane kaba yale ya kaba nur hira ngim shngai hira tang mansa ha jaka pule jongi namarba kia bun ba kia le persha ma hangta kia thang ya ki kali ti kia sho ya ki yeng kidan ki bomb blast man la kamet ti sakawai ro ki kishu like ki one tour shapo sha jaka basa mangi ti long takadang ni hap chu shift no menit ni sa shwe pa jaka ti mentang la wan shani pada